ჩვენ გვაქვს პროექტი ტობა ქილისღვინო. ეს არის ახალი საკომუნიკაციო პლატფორმა, რომელიც მოიცავს ერთის მხრივ ახალი ქილისღვინის გაყიდვას, მეორეს მხრივ ამ ღვინის ქილის როგორც საკომუნიკაციო არხის გამოყენებას სხვადასხვა კამპანიების გასაკეთებლად. ვფიქრობ, რომ ჩვენ გვაქვს საკმაოდ დიდი გამოცდილება აქვს, როგორც ესე იგი ღვინის გაყიდვაში საქართველოსა და საქართველოს საზღვრებს გარეთ, ასევე პროდაქშენში, რაც მოიცავს ვიდეო და ფოტო კონტენტის მომზადებას, ასევე პლატფორმის შექმნას. ვფიქრობ, ყველაფერი ეს არის საწინდარი იმის, რომ ჩვენ მივიღოთ დაფინანსება და გავაგრძელოთ ამ პროექტზე მუშაობა.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing?
Good, thank you.
Shall I start? Okay. So, hi once again. My name is Wako Gegidze. I'm the founder of the digital creative agency, Digital Mate. Now about the idea about our startup. As you know, Georgia is a cradle of wine. Our ancestors have been doing wine more than 8,000 years. And for the centuries, wine was a way of communication. Tamada, Georgian Supra is the Georgian heritage and the example of successful storytelling. So we came up to the idea that wine can talk. As a digital agency, we always use different communication channels for running campaigns. For example, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, social network, Google AdWords. So every communication channel has its specific audience, people who love to share photos, videos, specific content. So what we did here, we took wine, we took can, and reinvented it to the whole new, unique advertising platform where you can advertise from the online to the offline. So we use the surface of the can to advertise the photo or the illustration, and we use the Scan Me code to transfer the customer to the web platform where he can see the other part of the campaign. While talking about the advertising, we mean advertising through storytelling, the product placement. So Toba talks stories that really matter, that excite you, that are real, stories about the places, about people, about history. So the guy you see on the surface of the can is the illustration of the Georgian world-famous artist Niko Pirosmani. The painting is called A Fisherman. So Niko Pirosmani was so deeply in love that he has sold everything he had, his home, his paintings, and with the whole money, he bought roses to his love, 1,000 roses. It's a really crazy story. So we thought that it could be a good advertisement for the Georgian National Tourism Administration or for the museum. So that's it. Now about the tech stuff. What we're using in Toba is the data collection. We collect the data of the wine lovers in the whole world. We match them. We build the community and the specific target audience. Just imagine that you can enter the platform, create the campaign with our guidelines. And for example, French cheese manufacturer company can target German wine lovers with his ad. So we use data which helps us for the remarketing in the future campaigns. And the good thing for our customers is that they can check the whole supply chain from the manufacturer up to the retailer. And it's like traceability. Our know-how is that wine can communicate. And by our business model, we sell wine in a can as a product, and we sell advertising on the can. Why aluminum can? So the answer is really easy because it's personal use and you buy the can only for yourself, not for sharing. Plus, it's quick chilled, it's unbreakable, it's 2x stackable. I mean, when in ways of logistic, in 40-feet container, you can fit 2 times more wine in can than in liters and 5 times more in units than in glass bottles. So it's easy for consumption. You don't need any opener or a glass. And it's green packaging. It's 100% recyclable and it has 50% less emissions than glass. So about the sales channels, our partner, Bebu Wine and Spirits, has an experience of exporting Georgian products more than 10 years in Europe. At the main moment, we have more than 2,500 sales points in the 7 countries of the Europe. Here you can see the brands which we cooperate with already for 7 years. And about the teams, about digital creative agency, it has experience on the market for more than 2 years with an annual revenue of 1 million. And we have more than 30 projects accomplished. And on the down, you can see the companies which we cooperate with. The budget, the total budget is 255,000. And as you can see, the blue part of the chart is 40%. That's what we are asking for because we have invested and we already have a platform and the team. So we need money only for the equipment to make the product itself. And about the team, Wako Gegidze, I am the CEO and the founder of the company. I have more than 10 years experience on the market in sales and managing group. Amiram Bebua, who has more than 25 years experience on the market of the FMCG. Beka Kwartsawa, the creative director of our company, who has more than 10 years experience in the digital and the tourism. And Waho Shaliawa, he is our CFO. He has more than 15 years experience in the financial sector. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.